Good morning, students. How are you all? I think you all are fine. Welcome back. Today we are going to continue our same chapter. The name of our lesson is the proper and common nouns. Correct? Yesterday I told you, when we speak about or when we take name of a particular person, name of a particular place, name of a particular thing, name of a particular animal, that words are proper nouns. And instead of proper nouns, if there are some words which stands for person, which stands for this place, which stands for animals, which stands for birds, those words are known as common noun. Yesterday we had taken example of Raju drinks milk. Come on, let us start again, or I will take all together. I will take all 5 types: place, person, place, animal, bird. 4 are there. All 4 we will take today. Okay, let us start. Raju drinks milk. What does Raju do? Raju drinks milk. And here same sentence when we have written, then what it will become? Now instead of Raju we are going to use word the boy. The boy drinks milk. Now in this sentence, what is Raju? Raju is a name of particular person. Raju is name of a person. So it is what? So it is proper noun. What it is? The word Raju is proper noun. And here in second sentence, instead of Raju, what is used? Raju is a boy. So instead of writing Raju, Rajuच्या नावाऐवजी आपण काय लिहिला? मुलगा. So then what is that boy? Boy is common noun. What is boy? Boy is common noun. Correct? Now this we studied about a person. This we studied about a person. Correct? Can you see what I have written over there? Yes. This is what we are speaking about a person. Now we are going to talk about a place. When we will study place, that time what sentences are there? For example, Raju lives in Mumbai. Raju lives in Mumbai. When we use this word Mumbai, Mumbai is what? Mumbai is name of a particular place. कोणत्या तरी एका जागेचं काय ते नाव आहे, right? What it is? It is a name of a particular place. So Mumbai is what? Mumbai is proper noun. Mumbai is what? Mumbai is proper noun. Now same sentence if we will write, Raju lives in a city. Raju lives in a city. Now instead of word Mumbai, Mumbai ऐवजी आपण काय लिहिलं? मुंबई काय आहे? मुंबई is city. So it is normal word which is told for Mumbai. Correct? So city is what? City is common noun. Understood? Yesterday we studied these 2 sentences. Now third sentence is Brownie is faithful. Brownie is, this we studied about a place. Now animal. We are going to study of animal. Now here it is told that Brownie is what? Brownie is a name of a dog. Brownie is faithful. Brownie is faithful. Now what is Brownie? Brownie is a name of a animal. Yesterday I have shown you photo. Can you see what I will show you today again? See, look here, it is Brownie. Third sentence. Brownie is what? Brownie is faithful. Brownie is what? Brownie is the name of a particular dog. Correct? And instead of Brownie, if we will write down, the dog is faithful. The dog is faithful. When we will write down this, what is Brownie here? Brownie is proper noun. And the dog is what here? Dog is common noun. Understood? Have you understood? That is what we studied about animal. Now next one is about a place. Place is over. Person over, place over, animal over. Now we are going to talk about birds. Now here it is, Polly likes, we are talking about birds, okay. Polly likes nut. Polly likes nuts, and front side it is told that the parrot likes nuts. Now in this sentence, Polly is what? Polly is a name of a bird. Polly is what? Polly is name of a bird. So it is what? Polly word is what? Proper noun. Which noun it is? It is proper noun. And here parrot is given. Now here parrot is what? Parrot is common noun. Are you understanding? Now here we will repeat. Boy. Boy is what? It is told for any boys. There are many boys. There are 800 boys in our school. But everyone is having something name, particular name. When a person has a particular name, that word is known as proper noun. And instead of particular name, एखाद्या माणसाच्या नावाऐवजी आपण त्याला काय म्हणतो? तो माणूस आहे. करेक्ट? He is a man. She is a girl. He is a boy. Now man, girl, boy. These words are what? These words are common nouns. So in second sentence, boy is what? Boy is common noun. Now here it is told that about place. Raju lives in Mumbai. Now instead of Mumbai, if we will say Raju lives in city. So city is what? City is common noun and Mumbai is proper noun. If I will say I live in village, you also live in villages. If I will say I live in village, so village will become what? Village will become common noun. But if I will say I live in Astagaon, correct? Or I live in Rahata, I live in Korhade. When you take name of a place, that name of a place will become what? It will become proper noun. Understood? Now here it is of animal, about animal. Now forget of brownie. If I will say Sharu is faithful pet. Okay, it is pet. Pet means what? Pet animals are there at your house, right? You have cat at home, you have dog at home. If I will say the dog which is there at our house, his name is Sharu. Then if I will say Sharu is very good or Sharu is very faithful. Then Sharu is what? It is a name of a dog. So what that name of a dog will become? It will become proper noun. And if I will say our dog is faithful or our dog is, or I have a pet dog. If I will say I have a pet dog, the dog word will become what? The dog word will become common noun. Understood? Now about birds. Correct? Birds are there. If you have birds at home, you keep their names. If you have pigeons, white color pigeons are there. Yes or no? पक्षी असतात की नाही घरी? There are some people, those who have habit of keeping pigeons at home. Then what they do? They keep name for those pigeons. Are you understanding? Rani, Raja, like that names are kept. And then if I will say Rani, if there is a pigeon, if I will say Rani stays in the cage. Okay, when I will say Rani stays in the cage means what? It is a name of a bird. So what is Rani? Rani is what? It is a proper noun. And if I will say pigeons stay in the cage, or pigeons are kept in the cage. Now they don't stay by their wish, we are putting them in the cage. So if I will say pigeons are in the cage, then pigeons are what? Pigeons is a common noun. And instead of pigeons, if I will use Rani and her friends stays in the cage or are kept in the cage, then Rani is what? Rani is proper noun. Have you understood? Have you understood? Here it is told that what are proper nouns. I will read. Look here in the book. See here downside. I am reading here. Proper nouns are names of a particular person, place, animal, bird or thing. Okay, example, a proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Okay, the words like boy, city, dog, parrot and newspaper are common nouns. Correct? Common nouns are words that stands for any person, place, animal, bird or things. In this way we have studied, which lesson we have studied proper noun and common noun. And here one example is given, I read the Times of India, and here it is written, I read the newspaper. Now here if I will write, or let it be, that example we will take in next period. Okay, if we will write, if I will write, I will say I read Times of India, it is what name of a newspaper. Times of India is what name of a particular newspaper, so it will become what? It will become proper noun. And if I will say I read newspaper, now which newspaper? There are many newspapers, Times of India, Indian Express, then there are in Marathi newspapers, Sakal, Saromat, Lokmat. Which newspaper? If we will tell particular name of a particular newspaper, that is what? Proper noun. And if you will say only newspaper, then it will become common noun. I think you have understood. I have taken 5 examples. Okay, one example is of person, one example is, another example is of place, 1, 2, 3, 4, and of thing I took one example just now, that was of newspaper. In this way I have explained you what is proper noun and common noun. Now some questions are given in the book. There are 4 questions in the book. How many questions? 4 questions. From that first question you have to do, classify the words into proper and common nouns. Look here. Here it is given. Question number 1. Classify the words into proper and common nouns. Now which words are in proper nouns and which words are in common nouns, that you have to do in today's homework. You have to write down proper nouns, examples. Now here examples are there. You have to write down names of, for example, name of river, Ganga, Himalaya, Mowgli, Sita, Udaipur. These all words will come in what? Proper noun. And in common noun what will come? Chair, cousin, lamp, paper and town. Those words will come in common noun. Ganga कशाचं नाव आहे? Ganga is name of a river, Himalaya is a name of mountain range, Mowgli is a name of a person, Sita is a name of a person, Udaipur is a name of a place. That all words will come in what? It will come in proper noun, and remaining words will go in common noun. You have to complete this question number 1 in your English grammar notebook. Have you understood? What is your homework today? You have to write down question number 1 in your English grammar notebook. Okay, thank you.